My name is Malin and I'm the cook here at the ice base. My day begins before everybody else to get up and get breakfast ready. And the first thing I do is to collect the snow to make water. And the next thing to do is to put on the porridge. So that will be ready, and then everyone starts eating the porridge when they get in here. I'm cooking 3 meals a day for everyone in the camp, and it takes a lot of planning and organizing. And then cook up maybe some scrambled eggs, bacon, cheese and ham for me, since I'm a Scandinavian and I'm not used to the other kind. I've been camping for 5 seasons down in Antarctica, in a camp there, for 2 months each time. This is my first time working in the Arctic, and the similarities to the job is that you still have to melt all the water, melt the snow to get the water, and it's quite a long distance to get resupplies in. And since we're hundreds of miles from the nearest shop, it all had to be thought through before we got here. Yeah, I enjoy doing this kind of job because it brings me to places that is hard to travel to, and you actually are able to spend some time here as you would not do as a tourist. The best part about it is the people you meet and the group of people you work with that are from different parts of the world and a lot of different experiences. That's the best part.